Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Square marketing email campaigns easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Square account using your credentials. From the main dashboard, navigate to the marketing section located in the left-hand menu. Once in the marketing section, look for the email campaigns tab at the top of the page. Click on the email campaigns tab to view all your active campaigns. Select the campaign you wish to disable from the list displayed. After clicking on the campaign, a new page will open detailing the campaign settings. Locate the settings option within the campaign details. Click on the settings option to access your campaign settings. Scroll down until you find the status section. In the status section, look for the Disable Campaign option. Click on Disable Campaign to initiate the disabling process. A confirmation pop-up may appear, asking if you're sure you want to disable the campaign. Confirm your choice by clicking on Yes or Confirm in the pop-up. Once confirmed, you will see a notification that the campaign has been disabled successfully. Return to the Email Campaigns tab to verify that the status of your selected campaign has changed. That's it. You have successfully disabled your Square marketing email campaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.